Scaling a fashion brand isn't about producing more. It's about producing smarter. Most founders think bulk manufacturing improves margins. On paper, it does. But when demand slows, inventory piles up, discounts increase, and cash gets stuck. Overstock doesn't just hurt profits, it slows growth. Modern D2C brands scale differently. They produce in small batches, launch 1,000 to 1,500 units, track sell-through, and only reorder what works. Weak products are dropped fast. This shifts the model from forecast-driven to demand-driven. More products sell at full price, margins stay healthy, and cash flows faster. Scaling then comes from a smart financial strategy. Trade finance, invoice discounting, working capital, and purchase order financing. These are, honestly, the tools that allow brands to grow without blocking their own cash. But, none of this really works without the right manufacturing partner. You need low minimum order quantities, fast repeat production, and, of course, flexibility built right into the system. This is exactly where NoName fits in, helping brands scale with controlled production cycles, reliable replenishment, and, zero pressure to overproduce. Because today, the brands that win aren't the ones producing the most. They're actually the ones managing inventory the smartest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.